Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome to another great week of Lab Live. Oh, so bit of a schedule change. Um, it will not be Kane and I this morning for the first segment, and I don't believe Leo will be here either. So we're gonna have to see what shakes out. So you guys have me for the probably for the full thing, unless things change. Maybe Alex or someone else will join, but not too sure. So you got me for today. Hope that's all right. We will have a good day. Love a good day. So a little bit of a schedule change, but we'll still have a hell of a day. Congrats, by the way. Thank you, Millet. Appreciate that. Someone had a great weekend. Yeah, yeah, it was good. It was a good weekend. Jack, good weekend. Good morning, Timmer. Okay. Love the cut. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. Okay. How was everyone's weekend? No Leo the liar for today. What's that about? What did he lie about? Um, yeah, showing up to this chart was um a colorful experience this morning, seeing all the SMT that we have. It makes looking at this SMT indicator incredibly an incredible eyesore. However, it is info, so we're gonna break this down kind of step by step here. Played golf, which ruined the weekend. It's funny. I know exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean, Chris. You just didn't have enough beers, man. You just didn't have enough beers. Usually softens the blow of the multiple triple bogeys. Morning ED trading. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. You guys are too kind. Okay. Mm, let's see. I'm not I mean at first glance I'm not exactly interested in this chart. But let's just do a deeper dive. Just to we have all morning, so things can change. So we've got previous weekly high SMT, previous daily high as well. We've still got this all-time high SMT with YM, which I mean, that's old news. That ain't new. That's been the case since April, April 17th. Looking at other time frames, I don't use the 6 hour. That's another thing. If anyone does anyone here pay attention to whatchamacallit? AM trades like 6 hour profiling? If so, link me to a video or something. I'd like to learn a little bit about it. Um, well, he's got some good stuff. Okay, so at the moment, yes, we have this daily high S&T, multiple sessions, right? We have the PM high, lunch high, AM high, daily high, previous weekly high. You have tons of S&T at the highs. So you see NQ sweep out that high from Friday. And you also see NQ, ES and YM fail to sweep out that high. And then during the 7 a.m. candle, we have a failure swing at Asia high, which is also the high of day. Now we are reacting off of that. So I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I have been so incredibly like uninterested in shorts. So there's a good chance I don't take a short today, even though it's setting up nicely. It's just I've been burnt so many times in the past 2, 3 months. Well, I guess since this whole bull run started, I've been burnt a lot trying to take shorts. I've had a few good ones, but yeah, ever since end of March. Yeah, that's kind of my thinking. Because these shorts are just going to set up longs. So you're not missing much. But I don't discredit anyone that is short because it does make sense. Um, we've got a lot of time today to sort it out and get on side. He posted his fake W he took last Friday vid was in demo. Actually, he was here live on live stream. Took 2 hours and was done for the day. So okay, not my circus, not my monkey. Yeah, all I know is Leo, I think, took a 20K top step payout last month. So I don't think he's exactly can be labeled a liar. Excuse me. But had to get a third one in. Oh my gosh. Apologies. Yeah. No, Leo makes money. Leo makes money. Leo makes more money than I do in the markets. That's for sure. But anyway, yeah, Leo will not be here today. He had some things come up. Um, okay. Conflicting criteria with these shorts is obviously we have multiple forms of SMT, multiple failure swings. At the lows here created at the open of the new day, new week. And we have this current London low SMT with ES and YM. Another thing is we do have this 15-minute breaker. We're going to just mark it. So you have that 15-minute breaker there. And you have this bullish 15-minute breaker here. Orange box. Pardon me for not being super dialed immediately. Still early. But this is kind of the part where I'll do my prep. This is around the time where I do my prep. So I like to play out the overnight session, kind of act as if I was there on the 15-minute. So okay, failed to confirm this 15-minute breaker. Retraced. Just kind of fucked around. Now that's something I don't like. I don't like when we fail to confirm a breaker and then consolidate for multiple, candles. And then we eventually do get a creation of that breaker, I believe, around here. Yeah. So 4 a.m. So still during the London session. So this 15-minute breaker was created with London high S&T. That is a confluence that goes against longs. Breakers that create with SMT are not ideal. So that is a pro for shorts. You also have the Asia high SMT that was formed, yeah, way earlier. Yeah, right here. There we go. Kind of a funky looking chart. Okay. So then we have this Asia high SMT, broke the London high SMT, but we confirmed the breaker with the London high SMT. You did get another move off of that. But we still have this SMT. Yeah. I think I lean short after all of that. um, this is a tough chart to read. I won't lie. Good morning, Slim. Perseverance. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. No, I see. We just inversed that. I think we can go for. I mean, close target is I could see us get towards this Asia low. Just we have this Asia high S&T up here, kind of working within this range. We could probably go pair this Asia low. And then from there, I mean, it's a matter of looking for standard deviations. So some places to keep in mind would be this 4 hour for value gap here. That's in alignment with these standard deviations perfectly of the 15-minute breaker from the overnight. It's also nested with the 1800 opening price. And it's also right near that kind of 29,000 number. Now let's use this guy as well. Those standard deviations line up as well. -4. Yeah. I think this is a good spot. I'd be looking for shorts into that. So took me a second. Something I could probably see myself doing. Get confirmation of this 15-minute breaker. There it is. Confirmation of that 15-minute breaker. Close below, trade into it. Get a setup in here. Either just take the 15-minute itself, or if we get some sort of fractal setup as well, I would add on that. So like maybe we create the 15-minute breaker. I get short off that breaker. There we go. Target here. And then on the low time frame, it gives me like a 50-minute for value gap SMT, and then I can get short off of a 1-minute breaker and add into that. that would be kind of something that I'm after. Okay, looks like Alex will be joining us today at 9 a.m. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. Because there is technically, obviously, like I can get short and we already have a 15-minute breaker present. So I can enter here with this stop at this high. It's 108 points. Or I could wait 6 minutes, wait for this breaker to confirm. This will be a protected high on the 15. Then you can save a few points that way too. So 6 minutes for, a few more points. Get a little more bang for your buck. Plus, I'd like to see this. Since we're just consolidating here, I'd like to see this confirmation of this 15-minute breaker get confirmed as well. Just to be safe, because I mentioned earlier that I am a little bit apprehensive towards shorts. So. Ooh, news. Let's look at news this week. I know we don't have anything today. I think tomorrow is CPI, if I'm not mistaken. What just happened? Oh, yeah, tomorrow is CPI. Wednesday's PPI. Thursday, retail sales. Friday is just yellow. And we have a lot to rebalance. We have a lot of inefficiency here. Wow. Isn't that crazy, guys? Like, you guys remember last year, right? You remember last year, the whole tariff thing, the whole tariff liberation day brought us down into like 17K into a monthly fair value gap, into these down closes, and also kind of back into this old high here. And then we rip. You look on the weekly, we rip from there, but it's like, so we move back up into all-time highs. Like it takes, is that 9 weeks? Yeah. 9 weeks, 6,000 points. Like this wasn't as explosive as this. We've moved just about the same in almost half the amount of time. Like this rally was insane. Last year was insane too, but this one was super explosive. super duper explosive. Good morning, Mara. Excuse me, guys, clearing my throat. Woke up this morning a little bit stuffy. Not sure why. Looking for cells of 29301. Assume that's 15-minute OB. Make this a little bit more visible. Actually, I'm just gonna fucking horizontal line it, to be honest. Uh, 4 hour. There we go. Do that. Do that. Text in black. 4 hour bullish for IGAP. YM's giving us all types of SMT here. Hmm. Seeing this London low SMT, still being here. I mean, we're gonna have it for a bit anyway, but seeing that stick around like that too is, I wouldn't say worrisome, but something to keep in mind because we do have a 15-minute breaker off of that. And we do have this consolidation that occurred before the breaker got created. So I just want to see a new one get created. So there's the failure to create that one. So we're just going to sit back. I don't like longs because we have too much on the short side, and I don't like shorts at the moment either, just given the fact that we're creating this SMT, failing to confirm the 15-minute breaker, the new 50-minute breaker. It took us a while to create this 50-minute breaker here. It just tells me to be flat, that's all. It's a discretional choice for sure. But it's Monday. I'm not looking to get, busy right away. I just have to trust, that feeling. Because I'm not a fully mechanical trader. Most ICT traders are not. So I just need to trust that feeling that I get when I want to be sidelined, versus, the feeling you get when like it just is a no-brainer setup. This isn't a no-brainer setup to me. There's conflicting criteria on both sides. So insane amounts of buy orders just chilling too, all in the 250s up on NQ and 73.50 up on ES. Is that right? Is that so? Good afternoon, Chris. How are you doing, brother? Thank you guys for tuning in this week or today with me. Ugly opening of the week. Yeah, you're not kidding. But you'll never you'll never catch me on stream taking trades just because I'm streaming. I don't like to just because I'm streaming it doesn't mean that I have to take a trade. I could find one, but you should never go looking for trades. It's usually a recipe for disaster. Hmm. Can we run polls in here? Producers, can we run polls? If we can run polls, I'd like to see who's bullish today, who's bearish today. I think that would be interesting. Or who thinks today is gonna like the daily candle closure, up or down, for no reason in particular. It's just a super tight range, so I'm tentative for a hot minute. I'm motherfucking scared today. Yeah. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It'll be okay. We'll get through it together. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Everybody answered the poll. Daily candle looks like a cross. It does. Oh, good morning, Alex. We'll see you in a bit, my boy. We'll see you in a bit. Neutral? Yeah, that's fair. Mm, mm, mm. Only 11 votes. We almost have to leave it over. We have to leave it for like an hour. Good morning, trader 007NQ. Welcome in. Yeah, it's not 9:30. That's when the volume hits the chat. Yeah, yeah, you're not kidding. That's usually when things get busy. Busier. We'll probably climb towards 100-ish viewers once Alex and I are both in here. It's usually once we have two people in here, it'll start to pop off a bit. Pre-market is usually a little quieter. Nice and quiet. Okay, so we've got. Oh my gosh. Why am I yawning? I'm dieseling coffee right now. Why am I yawning? Um, we've got this 15-minute provide gap SMT here. No continuation entry off of that, but still the plan remains the same. In my cells now, let's see what side of probability I'm on today. Best of luck to you. Follow that plan, baby. Follow that plan. Where's that midnight open? Just also grab that. Yeah. This spot is like super important to BH. To be honest, -4 resting there. Two of the midnight projections. -2 bang on that for value gap. Yeah, lots of projections down there. Lots and lots and lots. I'm actually going to keep that one there. Move that over just a hair. Midnight open projection. Yeah. So many fibs down there. It's crazy. Just need to see a little bit of proof, you know? You know what I mean? Just need to see a little bit of proof. Yeah, I agree, Waldman. It is they have been trappy. Being a little bit trappy in nature. Look for 29,213. Low a day. Or are you just below low a day? 2 minutes till this 50-minute candle closes. Load up my M and Q. Get that, get everything ready for that. The 4-hour for value gap in question. Looking okay. We need to see a retracement back into the 15-minute breaker for my entry to get tagged. Okay, there's that. I just need to basically just set a limit. So I'm not about to enter when it's that far away. 15-minute, I'll just wait for retracement into my entry. The breaker is confirming with 15-minute or with a London low SMT, but we've had that SMT for a minute. It's worth a shot. Now that we got that confirmation of the breaker, we didn't fuck around too long before confirming it. Here's my entry. Stop loss is going to go up hither. And then we'll have our TP down here. But I'm going to base it off of NQ. What level is entry? You can see it on the screen. It's a 15-minute breaker. Now, either going to hold on to this just as is, or we're going to get some sort of continuation entry on the 15-minute using a PD array on the 50-minute of some sort, and then get like a fractal set up. So like maybe up into here. Then I can find an entry within this high for ads. But as of right now, I'm just going to rock with this. And it's going to be boring and it's not going to be sexy, but it's going to be what is easiest. Yeah, I already mentioned that. I already mentioned that we have that London low SMT. It didn't create with the breaker. It was present before, to be fair. So it's not exactly the same. Um, yeah. And there it is gone. Good afternoon from Africa. Damn. Good afternoon indeed. I like that we got some African viewers. I think that's awesome. Whereabouts in Africa? Uganda. Very cool. Welcome in, sir. Oh, I don't want the dollar sign. Give me ticks. Even though this is technically a representation of the dollar sign, I'm pretty sure. 65, yeah. Wish I didn't know that. Two micros, the tick value is the dollar value too. Because it's $4 per point. But yeah, I'm also in Africa, Cape Town, South Africa. Cool. I've heard I've heard South Africa is beautiful. I'd like to go visit. Good morning, Shams. I am by myself until 9, and then Alex will be joining me. We had a little bit of a schedule change today. We had a bit of a schedule change today. Kane couldn't be here. I think he's a little bit under the weather. And Leo had some urgent things come up. So he wasn't able to join today either. So it's going to be me and Alex today, which would be good. Either way, it'll be good. It is. I've moved from the UK. Oh, no way. Hi, Bray. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Canada, born and raised. The Alex and Bray combo is goaded. Yeah, it's a different it's a different combo. What part? Saskatchewan. Okay, great. You made it sound like, okay, great. I'm gonna come see you. Good time of year to visit Canada coming up. Our summers are great, but that's just me coping with the fact that our winters are dog shit. Oh, you're from Toronto? Nice. I've actually never been to Toronto. Well, that's not true. I've flown in. I've flown into Toronto. I've never visited though. I've been at the airport. Is it cold now? No, I mean, right now it's kind of cold in the mornings, but it's supposed to be like 20. 22 Celsius today, but we're supposed to get some rain. But like tomorrow 22, Wednesday 26, Thursday 25. So like it's pretty good weather, I'd say. That's uncharacteristic for May, for mid-May in Canada. Like we usually are like low, um we're usually like in the teens and like it's usually cloudy, like 13, 15, shit like that. But we're supposed to get lots of rain near the end of May, which I'm actually pretty stoked about because that means my grass is going to be fucking mint. Because now that I've bought a house and am old enough now, I actually give a shit about my grass. Come to Ireland where the summers and winters are rubbish. I would love to visit Ireland, Ireland and Scotland. I'm part Irish and Scottish from my mom's side. I was born in Canada. Dizan, you were born in Canada? Really? That's crazy. I did not know that. Whereabouts? You have watering restrictions? Not to my knowledge. I mean, I think, fuck. I want to say, like, if you know, if you have a big fuck off pool and you're filling that, like, you should probably let the city know because they're going to warn you of like high water consumption. And they might think that it's a main break or something. So, like, things like that. But, like, as far as like how much water you can use on a daily basis, I don't think so. Like, if I want to water my grass, like, no one's gonna come after me. Obviously, I can't take a hydrant wrench from work, bring a 2.5 inch hose, and use that. But here in Florida, it gets tricky in the summer with watering the grass. Really? What kind of restrictions do you guys have? Yeah, I am a firefighter. You're correct. Yeah, what kind of restrictions do they have in Florida? Is it like a municipal thing or is it like a statewide thing? Whenever you come down to Miami, I'll take you around MDFR if you like. Oh, appreciate that. It's always cool to check out other departments and see what they got going on, see their trucks and chat with them a bit. It's one big brotherhood. Oh, it all depends on the county. That's what you guys call it, not municipality. Counties can only water on certain days and certain time windows. I see. That's some HOA type shit. You ever go down to Colorado Springs for the IAFF Memorial? No. Our honor guard does, but I'm not part of the honor guard, so I have not gone. But that would be a really cool spot to go. I heard it's a moving experience, but it's also like really fun because you get to meet a lot of different firefighters from different places and you all hang out. Yeah, it's definitely a bucket list spot. Amazing event. Are you part of the like are you a firefighter or are you a union rep? Like a union member for your department? I assume are you Miami-Dade? Is that where you're okay? How many years you been on? 10 years? Nice. Nice, nice. You're well set then. You're well set. What do you guys rock for shifts? Are you guys 24s? 24, 48? One on, two off? That's not bad. That's not bad. Calgary and Edmonton brothers in Calgary. Those Alberta boys, man, they're crazy. They're crazy. Yeah, we just switched to 24s actually last August. We rock a 1115. Alex should be showing up shortly. That they are good people though? Yes, they are. I know a couple of Calgary firefighters. I think one for sure. Can't remember if the others are still there. Put my headset on because Alex will be joining soon. How do you like the new schedule? I love it, to be fair. Yeah, I love the new schedule. It's the turnaround is so nice. Our 24 is like we're not a extremely busy department. Like we're not ran off our feet. I mean, depending on the station you're at, but you move around a bit. But yeah, it's nice the rotation. You just get your days done and then you have your five off. We've got seven stations at the moment. We're currently building our eighth, and I think we're purchasing land for the ninth. So we're expanding, but it's just as you know, nothing moves fast in the fire department. Good morning, George. Okay, here is the 9 o'clock open. Good morning, Fred. Me. Alex is whispering sweet nothings into my ear right now.
I want to see this. What? Oh, that's so mint. Did you guys see that transition? Oh my God. Good morning. What's up, Ray?
What's up, baby? Good morning.
What you up to?
Not much, man. I'm riding a short right now. I entered short on that 50-minute breaker, looking for us to get down into the 4 hour for value gap from 10 a.m. Friday.
Damn, congrats on the PR, by the way.
Thank you, sir. I like that you said the PR.
I was
Not the
gonna
other
get
thing.
to it, but I wanted to build up to it.
Uh,
I was gonna be like, congrats on the PR. But you just had to cut me off.
yeah,
Anyways, good morning, good morning, good morning. Did you guys like that new swipe animation?
yeah,
You guys saw
yeah.
that?
That was nice. That was nice. To be
That's
fair.
clean. It's clean. Let's get into the charts, please.
Okie dokie.
Oof. Mint. Do we now have the same chart colors?
I think so.
I'll be switching them up, to be honest, like every other day.
Yeah,
But I've decided. Yeah.
that's a good color. They
It is a
they're
good.
very similar.
Yeah. You might have a darker black though.
Yeah, I think mine's. I don't know if mine's straight black. Nah, it's very close.
So let's see. Oh, this looks rough. Slim Trady. What's up? Timur. Timur. Would you
What's
ever?
PR? He's referring to like my marathon PR personal record.
How are your legs?
Finally good. Yesterday was like the first day where like they weren't sore at all. So it
Really?
took like 6 days. But yeah,
Damn.
yeah.
Let's see. Alex, the 15-second ninja that lurks in the shadows. Yeah, I think I'm owning it now, man. I'm going
You
full
got to.
50-second. Yeah, demon. Kind of have to. Nobody else is doing the 15. At least not that we know of. He's a Canadian fireman running marathons and rocking that stash. Hide your wives.
You don't gotta worry about your wives. You don't gotta worry
Yeah,
about your wives.
y'all don't
Spoken
gotta
for.
worry.
You don't gotta worry.
Let's see. Um, from a higher time frame, you guys know I like to start on the daily. Let me actually get rid of some of these drawings. Have we taken previous daily high? We have.
Yeah.
Taken the previous daily high. At this point, I'd expect some sort of hourly internal at the minimum. So I think it'd be nice if we at least saw a retrace back down into the 29,224s or 190s. I think that would be cause
Mm-hmm.
at least somewhere just to kind of reaccumulate it to then see higher. I'm on the 30-second, 3 minute, and execute on 60 ticks. Nah, you're lying. I know you're lying.
You're lying. You're a liar.
I believe Coach Fred. Anyone that has it, if anyone in your life is called Coach and then their name, just believe everything that they say.
Just believe them.
Yeah,
Straight up.
they've got the experience. So I'd
Because
love
they're
to
a
see.
coach. Oh, and it
Yeah,
says number one too. Coach Fred number one.
bro.
Not to be mistaken with Coach Fred number three.
It,
Oh, you
damn,
okay?
it's a joke because of Top Step. Uh, is there a Coach Fred over there? I know there was a coach. Just wasn't sure who it was. They
Well,
do
then
have.
they're all coaches, man. Coach Dakota, Coach Fred, Coach.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
true. What qualifies them as coaches, though?
Nothing.
I used to have a good coach back in middle school, actually.
Yeah. What
No
do you
coach
coach you?
Fred. Let's see. Reaccumulate. So internal. I just love to see some sort of retrace. I rock with the 30-second, not gonna lie. Dude, if you rock with the 30-second, you'd rock with the 3-second. I'm just kidding. But they won't ever mention my name when I chat there. Damn. Get it off your chest. Yeah, I
Just,
would
I'm
love to
sure
see a
there's
retrace.
Coach Barney.
Coach Bray.
Mm-mm.
No,
No,
sounds nice though. How long
don't
until
care.
the open? 22 minutes. That means we have 22 minutes worth of songs to sing to you guys.
Oh boy. 22 minutes of songs. We could just sing Sandstorm twice.
Is that how long that song is?
I think it's like 9 minutes, isn't it?
We'd have to be sounding out so many things.
Oh no,
Damn.
wait. I'm thinking of a different song. I'm thinking of a different song. It's not Sandstorm. Shit.
Shit.
Or maybe it was an extended version. I don't know.
Did anyone take any trades during the London session? Who was there for Junos? If you took a trade during London session, type one. If you didn't, type two. Kind of curious.
I'm gonna use the washroom quick. Be right back. Coffee's coffee's coming.
Coffee's coming.
Gotta go, Pete.
Coach Fred, Shay, James, you guys all took trades this morning? Just itching, huh? Just itching. Oh, wow. Hey, everybody. It's getting real personal. Alex, what do you risk on funded? Um, like 5 to 10% of drawdown, to be honest. How can you not scalp all day long with that 15 second? Um, that's a good question. Sometimes I do stay on there for quite some time. Sometimes I do. I mean, it really like the setup needs to be almost perfect, you know? Like it's not. I'd love for it to just be an all day thing. Take out H4 low and long. Yeah, I kind of agree with you. And it kind of already did that. The thing is, the issue that I'm having here is that we've taken both the high and the lows like twice. So in my eyes, I think we're just kind of we are really just consolidating, you know? Ideally, like in a scenario where we don't revisit the 235s, you guys know exactly what I like to do, right? Like I like to grab my premium, I like to grab my discount. And we currently don't have an established price leg on this new. So Jesus, bear with me. If you have an established price leg on this side, right? And this is still building, like this high is here, well, this low. As opposed to using this high and this low for 50%, because this low is still, or this uptrend here is still in development. You guys can see this hasn't taken out this high yet. You want to use this high and this low as opposed to this low and this high. And then you anchor. your premium discount. What is this schmoogly bear? Hello, Mr. Nick. But yeah, that's just the way I kind of approach it. Like if whatever, we have a new low established, yada yada yada. We haven't taken out a high on this side. I just prefer to use this first price leg as opposed to using the premium discount of the second price leg.
God, I'm back.
Oh, clean. He's back.
Oh, we
Gold
got the
free trade.
dual. We got the
Uh,
dual screen.
oh, it's Bray.
I heard a Brit.
Congrats.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Double screen.
Got the old double. The old double going up.
So, yeah, yeah. That's a noteworthy point in fib usage. Yeah, I mean, double screen. Look at that dog wash. Nothing. Not unless you're in the universe of the seconds, Mr. Coldbrew. I travel. Don't be silly. Gold? Yo, what the hell is going on over here? What's with this gold chart? Gold and silver, big dog.
Damn.
Is Coldbrew a metals trader now? Fully metals. Silver is drunk. Oh my God. It is drunk. Long NQ long from OR Friday. Not expecting much. I didn't have my morning coffee. I'm not sure I can scalp the 15-second without my morning coffee. Just the truth. To like living in comfort. Oh, 400. Oh, amazing. What's your daily routine? Dude, you want my exact daily routine? What's up, Felix? Holy larps. Yo, what's up, Nick? Yo.
Uh,
What's up, Nick? We've got two Nicks. Them heart palpitations really help. What's your style of coffee? Colombian, black. It depends on the bean, bro. If it's a good bean, it doesn't need anything. That's the
true.
truth. Like,
True.
but we over here drinking bullshit. In the US, I can't. I go to Starbucks, dude. Worst. You can actually taste. It's like the worst. They just order the low end, bulkiest, disgusting. Alex, are you Colombian? Yeah. I hate Starbucks, LOL. Yeah. Yeah. I'm guilty. What's that thing? Uh, man enough to say it. What is it? I always forget what the saying is. My wife may disagree. Yeah, I don't know. They just know their target audience, man. They know when to release a specific cup design. They know how to get them, man. from Medellin, bro. Weird question. Where do I buy my meat from in the US, bro? You don't want to do Walmart. You don't really want to do big stores.
A butcher or a farmer.
Yeah, if you can find, you can
If you
probably
can
find a nice
afford it,
farmer's
it's more
market.
expensive. Yeah, farmers markets too are good.
Starbucks is like SMT, never great. Starbucks is shit. I'm ordering from Peru in small batches. Yeah, somebody needs to watch what kind of packages Auntie's getting.
Small packages, dime bags, really.
As I heard, US puts loads of preservatives in their food. They do. We do. You can taste the difference. You can actually taste the difference. Do you know Pablo, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Coffee ain't
Coffee.
white, brother. You can taste the rainbow. Oh my God. Hey. Uh, anyways, we got 12 minutes till the open here.
Hmm.
See if we get anything special. Monday stream go bippy pop. You just Nick is just saying things
He just says
sometimes.
shit. He just be saying shit.
Just be saying things.
Just turn off ETH. Well, then all my candles will disappear.
Alex, any tips/advice for trading your model on the 30 minutes this one time specifically? Um, I'd say only trade like the 9 to 11 time window, 9 a.m. to 11. Like, don't really try to push it outside of that. Yo, Nick, they don't exist to cash markets, Canadian.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, Nick. Nicolas, which pair is this? What does Nick even do here? Did he? He's a he's a supporter. I support him. He supports us.
It's my first time seeing Nick in stream.
Really?
I think so.
He stops by a couple. He has nice soft hands.
The golf handicap like his, you gotta have nice soft hands.
Congrats, Bray, by the way. Both
Cheers,
Knicks.
Nick. Appreciate it.
Maybe we just gotta get Nick on.
It's all downhill from here. Yeah, shit. Yeah, I I believe it. Yeah. JK, but not really. Yeah. It's okay. I'm picking up what you're putting down. I'm picking it up, pal.
My goodness. Wet hands. Okay, what do you
I'd
guys
like to
think?
see that run back to internal too, to be fair.
Just waiting. Not much to do here prior to the open.
No.
I will be longing the open. I will be longing the open with every intention of capturing the highs. You're you're in tur now. Nice. Hourly
Asia
chart.
low
Ew.
could be the first spot. I see NQ take
I
that
agree.
Asia low from there, and then that could change my mind on my current position. But if we blast through and delete any sort of divergences that we have there, then down into -2 of the midnight projection, and then down into this juicy area here with the 4 hour for value. That'd be good internal. That'd be good. That'd be good soup right there. Hey,
Does anyone
S- stop it. Blah blah blah.
you
Lick
guys
my
have
nuts, Nick.
a favorite pen? Do you guys have a favorite pen? Sitting here writing notes. I love you guys. I love you. I love you.
Inefficient ONS just because of the RTH. Is that what you're talking about?
Mine is Canadian. Love a good Canadian flow. Le pen. Japanese ink.
What do I got? I think I got it. My pen has a bunch of Japanese on it, or no, not Korean.
I just have a
I got good pens, dude. I got good pens.
I just have a G2.
Mm. Oh yeah, designed in Japan. Whatever these are the pens you need.
That looks good, man. Wait, put it up again. I couldn't see it. Let me see. I just use G2. Those look
Yeah.
those look good. But are
Oh
you a
yeah.
lefty or a righty? Ooh, Bray got taste. Yeah, this guy's bougie.
I'm a lefty.
For real?
Yeah.
Me too.
No way. You want to play catch?
I just wanted to make sure, like sometimes some pens like the ink, you know, I'm out. Bye, Nick. Sometimes the
Um,
ink, like with lefties.
these ones don't spread. These ones don't spread like that. It sets pretty good.
Why? Anyways, good morning to you all. I gotta go get donuts with the boys. See ya, Mr. Nick. YM and Russie look like they want external liquidity. That's a crazy nickname for R2R.
Rusty, Rusty.
I don't know, boys. This we'll see. I mean, ES
Give me
also
lower.
looks pretty hideous.
Yeah.
What's up, sniper? Phew.
What up, dude?
Mr. Sniper. Because ES just tagged discount of its 15-minute range, which makes me believe that we could. If they manage to hold this newly formed low at 845, ES makes a push for those highs, NQ follows. Like, I mean, I'm not too opposed to stuff like that.
This is just one big ugly range. I want to see Asia low go for like if any sort of longs are going to print, I want to see Asia low first. And then from there, if we get Asia low S&T, I'd probably be going break even on my short, to be fair. And then just because I don't trust that.
Really?
I have a hard time trusting shorts lately, dude. Longs have just been playing so good. It's hard to ignore them. But currently short. Who do I have to ask to get my image or like my headshot changed for the thumbnail? Because it looks fucking dumb, dude. It looks so bad. It looks so fake. It looks so fake. Buenos dias, Miami Slayer. Buenos
Buenos
dias.
dias. It's
Yeah,
been
it's AI as fuck, dude. It's AI as fuck. That's not even the one that like because I did some AI ones because I didn't have time to get a photographer and to go into a studio. But like, shit, this is I would not have chosen that one.
I don't know why. It doesn't look that bad.
I think it looks like shit, dude. It looks so fake.
Fine, fine. We'll
Like
get the.
whatever that other one was, the other one, that one actually looks real.
I think you look handsome.
Thank you, Sniper. Thank you, but it's not the one.
Ah. What's up, Kevin? Tiramisu. Man, I'm tempted to scalp this off the 295s if we weren't so close to the open.
What's up,
What's up,
Billy?
Billy?
Oh wait, I
Oh
can
wait,
hear
I can hear
myself.
myself. Billy.
Who am I hearing
Did
myself through?
did I? Did I?
Is it still there? That echo? No, it's gone. Okay.
It's gone.
Good.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. 30 seconds.
Oh,
Just give me a send into the lows.
oh, bro, I
Pretty
was so
please.
confused. Oh my
Pretty pretty.
God. I logged into the wrong accounts. Fuck. There's that open. Huge spike to the upside. Came coming back down. Oh, I was like, dude, what? I'm in the wrong. What happened to my accounts? So confusing. Anyways, I think we got a nice play here, man.
They want to rip it from here. They can have it, dude. They can have it. I will take the loss.
Time is it? 31. Fuck, dude. Marked out that low perfectly at 285. Don't let this be another Friday.
No.
And it tapped into this. This was perfect.
Nah. Shit was ugly, dude.
Dude, it was kind of perfect though.
Nah.
It was kind of perfect. All
It was kind of not perfect.
right,
Just
let's see if
missing
this
some
comes
stuff for
back
me.
down. Let's see if this comes
Yeah,
back down.
let's see if it comes back down to 29,000.
Can we get 28,000?
I'm gonna get stopped. I'm gonna get stopped here, and then I'm gonna be sidelined as shit. That's a tough one. I would have liked to at least have it form some sort of divergence at like Asia or some shit before going higher. I would have been down to go higher, but there's my stop.
Boys, do you backtest every day? Nah, bro. I used to. I used to. Yeah, I used to backtest like religiously. It was like a video game to me. But no longer. I have like 1,000, more than 1,000 trades, more than 2,000 trades actually backtested. Who's older? Mr. Bray.
Hmm.
Not by a
Can
lot
we
though.
A year older? You're 99?
I'm not 99. You wish I was 99. I'm 2002, bro. No, I'm just
You
kidding.
don't,
I'm
you're not
2000.
2000.
I'm 2000.
2002. Fuck out
I'm
of here.
2005, bro. What are you talking about?
You know what's crazy is like 2005, that's a 21-year-old. That's nuts.
I know. Boys, it's been a nice life. Man, are we being so for real?
Just one of those 930s.
Bring it back. Come on. Just give me a little bit of juice. Please. Please,
A little bit of juice.
I just want a little bit. I tell you what though, come back down to the 27,000s.
When 30K NQ? Probably today, to be honest. This rate.
Dude, yeah, this looks crazy. All right, we'll see if we get some sort of internal here. At least on the 1 minute. If we can get just 380s, come back down before seeing. Oh, we took the highs already as well. All right. Could see a nice continuation scalp here. Dude, this is just like Friday. PTSD Friday. And then the
Well,
rest of the day.
the low is set at 930 though. Oh, what the hell? Where's my chart at? Why is it being all fucky? Yeah, it's
Funky
literally funky monkey. It's all
29 to 80. 130K in Q, dude. It's probably like, yeah, tomorrow. This is like, I'm not even entirely sure I understand the scope of how this is happening. You know? Like, I have like no information as to why we're rallying this hard.
markets are predisposed to go higher, I guess, eh? Okay, I'm
But
resetting
like
my trading view.
this,
This is annoying. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. I was talking about that earlier in the stream. Like how nuts it is that like this rally was so aggressive.
like, there has to just be some sort of like almost like a gasoline on the fire type of situation here with something because it's just like we are rallying so incredibly hard. We're
I think
moving as if because you know how the saying is like, oh, elevator or stairs up, elevator down, and shorts move quicker than longs.
mm-hmm.
Like, I
It's
feel
been
like we're
opposite.
moving, yeah. It's like longs are
Yeah.
just fucking nonstop to the
I
upside.
th I think um I think things are changing. Like I think people are more prone to like being more risky and they're willing to like buy these dips and they're willing to like ignore a lot of the noise. Um, because like inflows are still like with everything going on between interest rates completely being now we're facing a potential hike instead of I think at the start of the year we were priced in for at least two cuts, like 2.5 cuts or something like that is what we were priced in at. Um, Now we're projected to potentially get a hike. Um, we have the war in Iran, like all those things, all these reasons to like be hands off, but like in like flows are still,
It's just crazy.
yeah, it's different.
It's crazy.
It's a weird time just like for me to start learning like about fundamentals and macro and stuff.
Yeah.
It's like
Oh
it's just
wow.
like a lot of the shit just doesn't apply.
As soon as we're talking about how crazy longs are. All right, I mean,
Yeah, I'm
hey,
not interested.
330s. What is this? 342s. If we can get a closure back above 365s, consider that done for me. I'll seal that. How long that? But let's see.
Long's working so much because the most are shorting. Simple as that. I don't think that's how it
I
works,
don't
dude.
think
I think
it's like
it's
that, man.
no people.
All right,
Everyone's
I'm in
fucking
this.
buying, man. Everyone's buying.
361.75. Stop is at 341. We'll see if I just get stopped out instantly, or at least I get a move towards the highs. Let me draw this out for you guys. 361.75. I would love to see 382s. Oh, dude. 61.75. I hate that spike. Stop at 341. Yeah, it's gonna. I don't like spikes like that, man. They throw me off so much. That little spike at 9:37, 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just throws me off my game. I get stopped here, boys, on this 15-second scalp.
Of course, the goal from the algo is that the most lose. I mean, we're not talking about the algos here. We're talking about like large institutions,
Yeah, yeah,
like
it's
people
not.
like actual. We're not talking about some fucking like entity that nobody knows exists. Like the market is not built on one algorithm. It's hundreds upon thousands of different algorithms set by these institutions,
Oh, that's me, boys.
market makers, central banks, all to maintain efficiency and provide and offset liquidity.
Yeah, it's not like a Max Payne situation where it's like, oh, um, God, I'm tempted to relaunch. I'm doing it. 29,352s. Give it another shot here. If we can get back above the 385s, I'll just look to go break even. But I do still like this at 29,352s. Stop is at 332. Going half size. Can we get a nice little push? Come on. I don't want to marry my bias here, but come on, give us 376s at least. There we go, 376s. Right, I'll look to just quickly move this break even. I don't want to see this come back to my entry. Where am I at? 352.
And I'm gonna have to disagree with you there. That's such a vague statement. Such a vague statement. There's so many different things that go into why you have certain flows, like and why the market does what it does. Um, I was curious about this as well, so I did my research, and what came up was not just it's because the algo. It's because the algo is coded that way. That's so
Yeah,
fucking. It's so
it's
fucking
not.
cryptic, man. It's so cryptic. It doesn't make sense. I
Oh my
have so
God.
the proof I can't show you per check. Okay, well, you know what? You could just fuck
Buy
right
a
off then,
tick.
because yeah,
Buy
go
a
sell a
tick.
$15,000 course. Go sell a $15,000 course if you want to be cryptic, dude.
Yeah, there's a lot of there's just like
Yeah.
misunderstanding. But hold on. I just want to see if we can get a push above 385s.
No, I don't sell
Um,
course. Well, good, because you don't know fuck all. Politely. Like, if you're saying stuff like that, I have the proof, but I can't show it. Why? Because the guys in the white van are gonna show up and fucking take you. Relax.
382. So I'm break even on this position here at 352.25. I literally almost got stopped out by a tick. I gotta show you guys this. It's crazy. Or stopped out by a break even by a tick. It was crazy.
Be a man. Calm down. Okay.
Look at this.
Can we mute this guy or something?
Oh, that
That's
might be that
crazy.
might be my break even actually. Close to it. Oh my God. Ah, yeah. No, I'm still safe. Yes.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh.
No, no.
That's crazy.
Dude, am I crazy for nah,
Just
380? We did
chill.
test the
Just
380.
relax. Just relax. It's crazy.
Oh, I'm still crazy for liking this, but I'll give it a second to let it breathe.
You're over here trading the 30-second. I'm over, oh, 15-second. Sorry. Or wait. Yeah, 15-second. I'm over here flaming someone in the chat.
I
They're
know.
just-
I'm like trying to manage, like I'm trying to
No, I
listen
know.
to what's
It's
going on.
that's my bad. That's my bad.
No, it's all good.
I had to say something though.
I was like, what is going just in my head, I'm like looking at Tradeovate right now and it's fucking just printing. And I'm like, what is Bray talking about right now? I can't even but no, this guy is being a little cryptic. It's okay. I
I
heard
heard Bray is using trendline strategy, and I still make more money than you, pal. What of it?
trend line. Did we time out the wrong guy?
I don't know.
Who's Karn?
Oh, we shouldn't have timed him out.
It's okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, Karn.
No, I know. Let's go on a call. I show you lifetime payout. Yeah, sure, pal. Let's do it.
Ah, Ames. This still plays.
You're so fucking cringy, Ames. It's best to just walk away, brother.
Dude,
You're not winning
I'm
this.
I'm gonna sound crazy for this, but did this guy take a loss today or something? What's wrong with him? Shout out to Karn. Yo, sorry, Karn. I'm sorry.
This year, 174,000 on payout MFF and Lucid. Yet you're watching a free live stream on YouTube.
Get Ames
Lick
on
my
stream.
nuts immediately.
An absolute tuna melt. Who needs a coach here? Coach Brandon. uh, who needs a tuna melt? I can't with you guys. For real. Apart from literally getting bottom ticked on this break-even position, you guys are gonna make me crash out. Generational crash out. I don't thank you.
Yeah, Ames P60. He's got to be blocked. He's just talking shit now. Alex is a trader, but Bray is just a paper trader with 4-9 strategy. All right.
I have a
Sorry,
Fortnite
sorry,
strategy as well.
sorry, boss. Sorry, boss. Forgot. Thank you.
This is NQ, brother. Cool kid. You can see the chart now. There you go. Thank you.
Guy thinks the market is moving higher just because everyone's going short, and that's the algo says I'm gonna go take everyone's liquidity. 80%. He was just spitting stupid numbers. There's a ton of different things. We'll turn this into a learning lesson here. So what I learned, you have tons of different reasons for mechanical flows. One of them is going to be options hedging, right? So dealer hedging. So these dealers will sell their calls. They'll sell calls and then they'll hedge with buying futures. You'll also have things like index fund and ETF rebalancing, corporate buybacks, things like that, right? There's tons of, and like just systematic flows where like a lot of these institutions have systems that just when specific things get met, they will buy. And that's what is happening here. It's just institutional sponsorship buying here. Because what did we just have going into the new quarter? We swept multiple monthly lows into a monthly internal rebalancing into an old high from 2024, paired with whatever news driver they want to inject volatility. And then you have this as the result. So no, it's not because the algo says so. Anybody that tells you that, but also says, I have the proof, but I can't show it to you. It's because they don't have any fucking proof. So if you see guys like that, either run away from them or troll them like I did. It's fun. But moving on. Sorry to get a little colorful, but I'm very bothered by people like that because I used to work for people like that before I found out that they were not good people. And it's a touchy subject.
Thanks, Wog. Yeah, I had to retake this on micros, guys, to be honest, because like there's no way I was letting this escape. Definitely chased a little bit, but hey, I'll take it.
Who did you work for? I worked in a different Discord before coming into the lab when I was none the wiser to what was going on. And I found out basically, actually, after I left, found out that there was some sketchy things going on. I'm not gonna elaborate on it because it's not important anymore, but yeah, learned a lot from it.
I just want to see if I can close out at 435. That'd be sweet.
ES is absolutely ripping. That's crazy.
I know, dude. It's so much stronger than NQ. I would have already been out of this.
Uh-huh. I think you're good though. Just keep on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm in at 368s, just break even. Hopefully, it just doesn't come for me now. Time is it? 9:49. We'll see a new 5 minute candle here in a bit. I don't really use macros. I just use like 5 minute opens. So whenever you hear me refer to time, like it's likely just a new 5 minute open, which to me is valuable because I am on the 15 second. So typically it's like not that crazy. Oof. Rough, boys. This is rough. That might be me. No, not yet.
You know, this 945 might just rebalance back down into this breaker. There's no SMT or nothing though. I can't really get involved with it, but
Nothing.
yes, still at all-time high and Q not. Is that SMT? No. No. The SMT that you would have had is the well, the only SMT that you have currently standing is with YM at the previous daily high, previous weekly high, PM high, like multiple different highs. But yeah, it's not exactly the cleanest. I'd be if the short was going to work, it would have been the short that we were in, but now it's likely just going to either chop and kind of create a range like Monday usually does, um, so that we can get a cleaner move on CPI and PPI Tuesday, Wednesday,
Oh yeah, true.
or
Yeah.
or we're just going to continue to expand here, and then we're going to get either a reversal or a continuation tomorrow on CPI. But I think I lean to more towards the side that like now since the short failed, the long failed when we took out that London low. We swept out a 50-minute breaker low, deleting SMT, and then we swept out a 50-minute, two 50-minute breaker highs, deleting SMT. Tells me that we're just going to be seek and destroy um for today, and then tomorrow we'll create a really nice range to play from, probably longs, like a nice daily for value gap that we have going on here. That'd be where I'm at.
Yeah, break even for me on that retrace, unfortunately. One loss, one break even for me. I'm waiting to see if maybe we get another reaction, but unfortunate for me, boys. I still like this idea. I wouldn't mind from 358s.
Ames said he is shorting to 930 candle. He is until now, right? Ames wasn't doing a single thing on the chart. All he was doing was jawboning and trying to piss me off.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
I pranked you. I was, yeah. Yeah. I'm not afraid to
OB, still
call
OB.
someone out. Yeah, it still
OB.
is.
Dude, sometimes I forget like what account is what. I have so many Trade of 8 logins. It's like getting kind of confusing. Still not in this. Just kind of waiting. I'd rather wait until 10 here, boys. After getting stopped break even on that long. I'm heavily considering it though. I think if we still manage to hold this OB, I think there's something here, but not logged into my right accounts. I'm surprised by So yeah, we're just gonna wait, or at least I'm gonna wait until just 10, see if there's anything there for me. Not taking anything until then. I will let you guys know. I really did like this initial setup that we had here. We came back down, tapped into a discounted market of the newly created price leg, took out the first low at a discounted price per point, and then on the 15-second, you actually did manage to get that OB. So it was a really nice play, but unfortunately, moved break even, couldn't get a closure or at least retrace or an expansion into the highs. I think ES did. Yeah, it did, which just kind of sucks. Um, but it's okay. I picked up the Tradeify bundle because they are doing the bundles now. Um, I think it was the 50Ks that I picked up. So it's like you can pick up the select accounts 50Ks for like $90 a pop with the bundle.
It's like a bulk, you get like bulk pricing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's kind
It's
of
like
nice.
I know they just released it. Or I think like it was like a week or two ago.
Apex should do that too.
Oh, dude, that would be so great, man. Honestly, like that would be yeah, with code lab. Thank you, Alex. Yeah, it's 40% and then base and then plus the 5% if you do the bundle, so you actually get 45% off.
Mm,
Yeah.
I'm not interested in this.
I think it's a mental thing with Apex. You see $33 each time, not 660 in one purchase. Yeah, I kind of agree, but I also know that it could also be a legal thing because of the fact that like you just have to kind of agree to each account, something like that. When do you move to break even? I typically move to break even when, so like for example here, if I were to take, let's just kind of cherry pick, um, if I'm taking, let's say for example, this order block, just to give you an example, I'm long on that retrace. As soon as we take the first kind of internal high, I typically move to break even, which kind of tends to bite me back in the foot. But more often than not, I like to be break even quicker, especially if I'm operating on a 15-second chart, um, because I just like to see quick reactions. I entered short at 29,397 for a 2R just to profit that would still like NQ to take out the Asia low CBH. And then I would trade the reversal for a long. Hey, that's fair, man. Awesome. Beautiful
Mhm.
play. Beautiful play. 29,397. I think what Bray wanted to play out is playing out, right? You wanted those lows? No, the Asia lows?
Yeah, not this way though.
Mm.
Just not this way. It just goes into my whole seek and destroy type of
Yeah,
idea.
it fits the criteria for sure. No, nice catch, Joey. I think short now and Q. I don't know. It's a little too late for me, to be honest, for any sort of shorts. Sorry, shirts. For any sort of shorts. But I am still willing to do one more trade. I typically stop after two losses, but I'm only taking one. So this next one will be likely my last trade, obviously. Like if I take a winning trade, I'll call it. If I take a losing, I'll call it as well. Since NQ took out London and Asia highs, buying pressure is really low. We'll get a liquidity influx after Asia lows, so that might be good. NQ took out London and Asia highs. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, it's like what's it called? ES is just so incredibly strong right now. After that retrace, which was a be kind of almost beautiful play, by the way. Tapped perfectly into discount here. Made that 15-minute swing and then saw an expansion at 9:30. Um, it has not looked back at all. It's been a bright. So yeah, 9:30 can be nice at times. Oh, dude, my stomach is grumbling like crazy. I don't even know why. See ya.
See you later, wild man. Thanks for hanging out.
Wow, man.
Wow, man. Oh, dude, I gotta go to Costco today.
Hell yeah. Why are you saying like it's a bad thing?
Because Costco's so busy, dude.
Yeah, true. Ah, but really? You think so on a Monday?
It'll still be busy. It'll still be busy.
Markets look pretty chopped. Yeah, they are slightly chopped.
Hmm.
Slight chop. Slight chop fest. At least gold is just fucking pushing for the highs.
Damn.
Can we
Yeah.
get? I don't know. I don't have an opinion on gold. I haven't looked at it in a while. Like I haven't even
Yeah.
traded.
Me too. I haven't touched oil. I haven't touched gold. I haven't been looking at nothing, man. Indices have just been so good.
Yeah, they have.
No reason to look at anything else, to be honest.
All right, last attempt here. 324s. Can we get a push? This will be my last attempt, boys. I still do like it. Check the 15 times it 10. Got that 1 minute tapped back into the 303s. Let's see. Either I get stopped out and that'll be it for me and we'll call it. But I am in for a quarter of my size. I'm not looking to risk too much money on this trade. I know when I can be particularly wrong. Um, you guys know me. So yeah, I'm in for a quarter of size here at 324.75. I'm gonna go ahead and look to move to break even at 353s if possible. Um, and yeah, we'll see if we can actually get this closure here at 413s. Nice push.
It's
Nice,
looking
nice,
good.
nice.
It's looking good for you.
Very nice. Yes. Yes. Very nice. Sorry, y'all. I know some of y'all don't like my accents. Some of you, hmm. Okay, so we actually did get the 353s, which I did like. So I'm break even here, boys. Beautiful push here. Um, sorry. Beautiful push here on this last attempt. I'm break even. I just want to see if we can get into the 373s. I'll look to maybe trail at 1R, but ugh, these rejections are really strong to the downside. which is a bit unfortunate.
It's just rebouncing into the 1 minute breaker. You might still be
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
I think I'm good here on my entry at 324. 324.75. I should be still chilling, hopefully.
Look, no disrespect, but the market have an eye overall is it the most losing. That's why the market too often the opposite from the most retail traders, believe it or not. Okay.
Is this guy actually Ames? Like, do you
No,
actually have a
different.
second account or is he just trolling?
No, he's trolling, but I understand what you're saying. I'm eight party. I don't know. 772. I understand what you're saying, but you have to understand that like the reason why retail is losing is not because of the market to being to blame. It's your own bad habits, and it's your own vices and your own insecurities or whatever or lack of knowledge. It's not the market's fault. The market doesn't care about you. The market doesn't see you. All it sees
Factual.
is liquidity, whether it's retail, institutional, central bank, whatever. It's all it sees is can I fill this specific order with this amount of liquidity, yes or no? If no, chop it, create more liquidity before those orders can go in, etc. It has nothing to do with the matrix coming after your orders or your stops. Like that's not what's going on here. It's really like you are going to do more harm to yourself as a retail trader than the market ever will. So while I agree that 90% of traders lose, it's not because the market hunts retail and lets institutional money win. It's just bad habits. Yeah, the market must move and um, people must get in alignment with that and be able to admit when they're wrong and get on side, right? So the market moves for everyone, right? Everyone gets stop outs, everyone gets wins. It's just a matter of keeping those wins and not letting the losses add up, right? So I see what you're saying. I don't take any disrespect. You're not coming off as disrespectful, but
I think he was just toying with me.
okay, this is 100% an Ames account because you're saying strategy the same way he is.
He has two accounts. That's crazy. That's crazy. Can we get a push? Dude, I just want to see a push. Yo, listen. I love you all. Bray, I love you, but I really just I need the leaf blower right now. I need this push, man. Yo. It will go to Asia Low. Bray spits bars. Hell yeah, dude.
I woke up at fucking 5 a.m. for this, you guys.
Really?
Yeah, dude,
What
I'm
time
two
is it?
hours. I'm 2 hours behind New York. It's 8 a.m. right now.
Oh, Alex. Oh, damn, dude. I did not know that. Boys,
uh,
I'm still in this at 324. It's a pretty heavy retrace, but I'll show you guys. Can we switch to my chart, please? Really quickly.
next time, wake up at 4 a.m. Next time,
383.
I will not be getting up at 4 a.m.
Come on. 383.75 is all I need here. 383.75. I'm still in, baby. Hell yeah. Miami Slayer. Now we got a beautiful retrace, actually. This was really nice. I got tagged in on that 324. Can we get to 383s? Come on.
Revisiting the highs makes sense, to be honest.
Yeah. I'm just gonna look to trail actually to 1R to secure some stuff because I don't want to give back. So I'm gonna look to just trail to the 349s. That'll be where my stop is now, and I've secured 1R. So 349s, 349.25. Trailed there, and then I just want to see if we can get a closure above the 383s. Can we get that, please? It's been a nice life, been in a bright lights, crazy people who's on. 383s is all I need. Okay, so I've trailed here to 1R. Nice. Come on. Sweet. All right, boys. I'm fully out there, actually. I'm closing
Very
at
nice.
383s. 2R or 2.39R for 58 points. 383.5 is my closure here. So that
Good
is
trade.
me, boys.
Way to stay convicted.
Dude, I was like long,
Yeah,
long.
no, I don't blame you. Where's Leo? Leo had some stuff come up. He couldn't be here today. He gives his
Oh,
regards.
he sends his regards. Man. Ah, beautiful. Just make a note there. There we go. Close that fully there.
Very
Yeah.
nice. Very
Glass of
nice.
water, bro.
Glass of water.
Yeah. How much water you drink a day, you think?
Probably not enough. I don't even know.
Same.
I don't keep track.
Same.
So it probably means it's not enough.
By the way, guys, I will be on the third session as well today and tomorrow. I think it's me and you tomorrow as well.
In the morning, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got some sickies.
Some sickies.
Yeah, some sickies
Do
traders.
you want me on for first segment or second segment?
It's up to you, bro. Up to you. If it's too early, it's 8 a.m. for me, so I don't mind.
Up to you. Let me know. I'll let you be the
Where's Leo? Dude, he's I think he's feeling a little under the weather, so is Ken. So, but they will be back hopefully, I think Wednesday, Thursday. Leo will be back, I think Wednesday. Ken Thursday, just about maybe. Depends on how they feel.
me, you and me all week, baby.
Yeah. I need I desperately need a deep tissue massage.
A deep tish.
Yeah. Deep tish sesh.
Deep tish sesh. Say that 10 times fast.
Ugh.
Oh, we're almost at 3K too.
I know. We're so close. If you guys are not subscribed or if you guys haven't liked the stream, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. We're so close to 3K. May 12 with you on the day you're gonna lock out. Dude, love you, brother. Great stuff. Beautiful, beautiful long here. I'll walk you guys
Yeah.
through it in a little
Good
bit.
stuff, Slayer. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, everyone like the stream. Subscribe to all of our friends over on X as well. Hop on over to YouTube. Join us here. Join us here. Like the stream, subscribe, interact. I'm liking just for Bray ripping that. Yeah. That melt. That
The
tuna melt.
tuna melt.
That shit was funny, dude. Can we make him a regular? I, probably not, because he just distracts the stream. It's fun. I don't mind the banter, but takes away from everyone else's experience if we have that fucking loser yapping in here. So it's best if we just have them not in here. So, but I'm sure, Chris, we will have another person come in just like him. And I will probably give him shit, him or her, and you'll get that same experience again. Do you have a routine? Like, what do you mean? Like, what kind? Like, just a overall daily routine? Good times. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun, but I don't like to get too involved with negative people like that. Um, Daily routine. My schedule changes so much with regards to when I'm not at work or when I'm at work. Uh, some of my like, I guess, non-negotiables will be obviously wake up, give myself time to like get ready, shower, clean myself up, make coffee. If I'm like feeling productive, I'll journal, I'll do some mobility and stuff. Um, okay, yeah. This is just an Imez burner. Brother, you are one sad
Dedicated.
individual. You are one sad individual.
Dedicated.
Yeah. Let him yap
Yeah,
a
yeah,
bit.
it's fine.
Let him yap a bit. It's
Yeah,
fine.
it's okay.
It's fine. It's okay.
It's good for the YouTube algo.
He can have his fucking 15 minutes. You can have your 15 minutes, buddy. It's okay. You can hang out with us. You can hang out with us for a bit. Nah, daily routine. Um, I mean, I run 6 days a week and then obviously trading too. So I don't have time for like a super extensive, 1 to 2 hour long morning routine, but I think it's important to have some non-negotiables to get yourself set for the morning. And it's usually just do something good for your mind, body, and spirit.
Mind, body, and soul, they are one.
But yeah, I'm not going to sit here and say that I have this perfect morning routine. Or after this live, shave your beard, and then you finally become profitable. Good one, man. Yeah, good one. Get off your computer and maybe you won't be a fucking virgin. How did you guys trade journal look like? Which question or points do you go through? Would be cool if the lab has some sort of
Oh,
template.
dude, we
I think
can,
Alex, I think Alex has something like that.
I got all the templates, brother. I got all the templates. Whatever you need. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't really journal like not that I don't journal. I journal my trades. But the way I review it is like very, very simple. I have like something here. At least on TradeZilla, they allow you to create different tags. So that's pretty much what I've set up. But in the morning, I pretty much just like take a screenshot of the chart. The more thorough one that I do is the weekly one. I always review my trades on a weekly basis, and that one I can share with you guys. What about you, Alex? Any routine? Oh, dude, it's really simple. Like I uh I pretty much just wake up, stretch, do my bed, and then get some sun, and then I just hop on the charts. Because it's like I really can't function if I don't get at least a little bit of sun in the morning. I just feel kind of brain dead if I don't, or at least stretch. You got to get your
Mhm.
blood flowing somehow, because it's like fuck. If you just wake up, go straight into the charts, your brain's gonna be so mush. You don't even know like what you're looking at, to be honest. But yeah, I'll show you guys the weekly template. I think the weekly one is a little bit more impactful, but I think it's good that you guys have like, an idea at least for what you want to do on a daily basis. I have a routine, I have proof, I just can't show it here.
That's fucking good.
That's a good one, Chris.
Oh man.
Yeah, let me actually share this with you guys now. I'll put
I
it
don't know
in
what
the
he means by
comments.
sorry.
No, go ahead.
No, no.
But
It's all good.
no, no, my bad.
No, my bad. No, my bad. You go.
I'll put it in the comments. Just letting everybody know. Or the chat, sorry. Where is it?
Bray, if you need some advice from Ames, tell me I tell him. Well, I mean, you were wanting Asia low, so your shit's getting ran right now. So I'd rather not get any advice from you, if that's okay.
Oh, I can just share this here. I think you guys can still see my screen. I'll quickly go through this, but a lot of these questions are also like I credit to Tom Dante because I use that material. But the weekly review pretty much consists of this. It's like what worked well, what didn't. And then when you answer these questions, then you just go a little bit deeper, right? Like, did you enter trades too soon? Did you enter trades too late? Did you risk too much? Did you risk too little? And then the most important part, obviously, I'm not going to read through this entire thing, but the most important part are the key questions for recurring problems, right? So, like, if you have a recurring problem, you always need to identify it. So, what is the problem? Why do I have this problem? What is the solution? And then how can I action it? I think these four questions will actually save you some time and it'll help you identify the stuff that could potentially be wrong in your system or your psychology. So, if I had to recommend four questions every week that you should ask yourself if you have recurring issues is again, what is the problem? Why do I have this problem? What is the solution? And then how can I action that solution? Because if you know what the problem is and you're not actioning anything, like it's just you're basically it's just a waste of time, right? I got you.
Slim. Uh, I heard the cats like you with that beard are angry. I don't even have a beard, dude. That's a funny thing. I literally can't have a beard for my job. So maybe with that $174,000 of hypothetical money you made this year, maybe subscribe to Duolingo or something because I can hardly read what you're fucking saying. What's my job? I'm a firefighter.
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 Dude, ES is just ripping. And NQ is
Exactly. Exactly.
You look at the NQ chart.
Wah, wah, wah. No way, that's sick. Yeah, it's the best job in the world, man. Trading the downtime. Not, I wouldn't say downtime. Like my job schedule is good enough to allow me to be like essentially operate between 3 and 5 times a week. So um it's not really treated much like a hobby. It's just when I'm not at work, yeah, I'll trade. If it's go to Asia low before all-time high sweep, shave your mustache live. That's actually a tempting bet, but I'm not really gonna bite on that because um, you're in my stream, so I don't have to do what you want. But that would be funny. Um, but what do you do if you're wrong? What do I get if I win? Will you admit that you're a fraud, or will you apologize to me? When I am wrong, I shave your mustache. If you get within 3 feet of me, you're gonna want to run. and
Dude,
fast.
expired tuna.
Yeah. You see where he's not profitable. He doesn't know where market's going. Okay. Sorry, boss. Yeah. Within 3 feet, you better run.
If
Mark
someone
my
told
words.
me,
In the next minutes, it will dump to Asia low, fast, big. Okay. Okay, pal.
it will dump Asia low fast
It,
big.
yeah.
Sorry, boss. Won't happen again, boss.
Sorry, boss.
Bray, how do you backtest? I would
Oh,
pay to see
awesome.
Kane interact with this guy.
Do you start by reviewing samples to develop a rule before testing it out on past data? Yeah, so for me, when I backtest, it's obviously just I'll use it A for practice or B for testing ideas. I forward test a lot of stuff too, but the essential idea is to find if a specific, idea or piece of criteria flows well with my model, if that makes sense. Like if it's a good additional factor, like SMT and breakers work really well as liquidity and standard deviation. They all pair really well together. So I'll backtest those things in tandem, right? But if I want to add something, I'll go back to the charts and I'll first like look at my journal and look at my past trades and see if that specific piece of criteria is already present, right? If it's not, then I don't really worry about it and I know that I don't have to, backtest it. But if it's there lots, then like I will dive into it. But backtesting for me is like practice. It's like practicing your free throws if you're, you know, a basketball player and you're not that good on the line. It's things like that. Forward testing, I think, is very important in building like experience in the live markets. Okay, thank you. I was just about to delete that. We can also, yeah, time them out. Okay. 300 seconds isn't enough. He was fine until he got
Why?
yeah. Yeah.
You know?
Guys like that just ruin it for everyone.
Why?
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Anyways, continue. Sorry.
Um, oh, yeah. So that's kind of how I backtest. I haven't backtested in a long time, to be fair, because I have my model. I like my model. I don't want to change it. But if I were to have something new that I wanted to test out, then it would just be the same way as everyone else does, right? Like the biggest thing is going back in time, not cheating your data, right? Which is very easy to do. It's as simple as like, oh, I missed this specific thing. Let me go back. Like that's not the way to do it. You want to train your eye to see it, right? So if you don't see it, don't just skip it and keep going, right?
A good old trunk time in the woods. I agree, man. I need a good old trunk time in the woods. I'm like this close to just getting on a boat and going to Bimini and then like just sitting at the beach and looking at the sunset and throwing my phone in like a fire pit or maybe down a goat's throat and then cooking the goat over fire.
I would pay to see Kane interact with this guy. Shit would be hilarious. Zlovic, he already has. Has he really? Is this guy a repeat troll?
Bro, there's no, if this is a third Ames account, I'm actually gonna be so incredibly shocked.
It is. This guy's a fucking loser, man.
No way. Hey, Brain Alex, what do you guys think of paper trading? Because in my opinion, I think it's better than forward testing. What do you? Yeah, I think it's a great tool. Okay, let me step back here.
I would say you could use paper trading for your forward testing.
I would say, if you have a couple bucks, buy a cheap account and get some skin in the game because at least that way you have a couple bucks in it technically, and you could potentially feel a bit more than you do if you were to just paper trade, in my opinion. If you can pick up like a 50 or a 25K account and trade a micro on that for like 50 bucks, 60 bucks, whatever it is, then I would suggest doing that over paper trading because then at least you can get some skin in the game. This is fucking crazy.
I'm not a Miz, but I am red. I told you it will go sharp, fast, big to Asia low. Show me the execution. Show me
No,
the trade that you
this guy's
took.
trolling. This guy's trolling. This can't be Ames.
All right. Well, I'm just gonna time you out. Actually, yeah, I'll just time him out too.
Watch the
But
chat.
there we go.
Guys, having multiple this like
Yeah.
four.
No, it's people are losers with nothing better to do, man.
That's crazy. Oh my God.
Yeah, I think it's pretty hot too. So does my fiance. Thinks it's nice.
Beyonce
I think the last person I'm gonna take
got a nice ring to
looks
it.
advice from is some incel online. So, but you know what's funny is he was kind of right about it.
Yeah. It's a big go
I
down
didn't.
big fast.
I ain't taking that bet. Yeah, because we do have the failure swing at 10:15. It's a clean setup, but I'm sure he'll be back in a few
It go
seconds.
down big fast.
Yeah, yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
it won't go to Asia lows though.
It
I'll put
might.
my money where my mouth is. I'll relong this.
Go nuts.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm done. That was honestly this AM session was a little bit of a headache. Fucking one loss,
Oh,
one breakthrough.
totally,
To
totally, man.
anybody.
Yeah.
It's been a bright night. Nice little push there. 282s. Please stop shy of the lows. And
No,
then
dude, I hope it does go there because he's gonna come back and he's gonna think he's just the best. And no one's gonna ever agree with him on it. But he's just gonna think he's the best. I feel like he needs that. Because like for
Yes.
to come into here and to like be that negative, like I wish nothing but like the best for you because like you clearly are one sad individual. So
See.
yeah, he's currently creating a new email as we speak, though.
New Gmail.
Yeah, new Gmail. Swear to God. I wish also the best for you, Bray, and your mustache. Thank you, random stranger, who I'm sure
It's
has nothing
not.
to do. Yeah, I'm sure is not. Yeah.
I gotta be
The guy,
trolling.
the guy literally goes onto his keyboard when he's creating his YouTube name and just goes like this. And then that's his new username.
Yeah. If you guys have any questions about our models or our trading styles or anything, just let us know. Um, we'll be happy to answer anything or anything when it comes to education or anything in particular. Just let us know.
Mhm. Seek and
Drinking.
Destroy is on. Bray Legends are saying you're going to place your first trade somewhere in the near future. First trade today? I've already taken a trade today.
somewhere in the near
Or you mean
future.
first trade in general? If we get some Asia low SMT, I might be down.
You're looking for longs now?
I would probably be looking for longs if we get Asia low SMT. It kind of suits the bill because he can destroy, right? It's just going to be sweep lows, take new highs, vice versa. What trade did you take already today? I took shorts, 845. Got stopped out though. I have a 100% strategy. Buy with the TP at the right of the screen. Yeah. Up or down or right?
Mm. Did I drink this like healthy shake? T Today's one is a little bit rough. Too much ginger.
Ugh.
Uh, you have a favorite vegetable?
Me?
Yeah.
I like cucumbers. Cucumbers are
That's a good
good.
one. That's a
Like
good
a
one.
cucumber salad.
Yum,
Um,
yummy.
some might say cucumbers are fruit though. I don't know.
What's the rule? There's a rule for it. I don't know what it is.
I don't know. I don't know.
That, oof, God. Um, oh man, I do like the idea of some up, up here.
Uppity. Look at how it
Yeah,
just edged Asia low. That's so funny.
that's crazy. Wait, yeah.
The market makers know Amez wants it there. Algo knows that his TP is there.
Algo is scalping our stream.
Yeah, Algo knows that Amez is a dick and he's got his TP at Asia low.
Okay.
Tells you I know
See,
many. Yeah.
now I don't know if it's just somebody else trolling or if it's
No,
actually.
that's just yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Until they say something like completely offside, I'm not gonna block them. They can buff our chat all they want, to be honest.
Do we have SMT at the lows?
1 hour low with the S and YM.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, but you also have
The
ESNQ, no?
845. Yep. Yes, thank you. Yep.
Ooh la la. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Hold up, let's see if we pull this. Oh, we just tapped into discount as well. This is nice. This is nice. What are you waiting for? You're a breaker?
Yeah, there's no breaker.
Ah, but on the 15-second,
On
let's
the
see.
15 second, you know what I mean?
Ooh, this is nice, boys. This is a beauty.
Amy said before all-time high sweep, it will fall down, fast big down. It was right, and we will go to Asia low, and it will do that. But after Asia low, Bray, shave your mustache. If not, then you lie. I mean, I never lied. I never said I would do that, but
It's actually him.
yeah, it's on. It's him for
This is
sure.
so amusing, actually.
It is. It's crazy how
This is
dedicated this
actually
person
so
is.
amusing.
Yeah,
Listen, man, color me surprised.
yeah. Color me impressed by your dedication to be a troll.
Yeah. To trolling. Crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like, hats off to you, sir. But also, like, you're a piece of shit.
Bray, please be careful. I'm not that guy on the street at normal. I see, I can't even read this anymore, actually.
No, please be careful. I'm not that guy on this. Is he threatening me to be careful, or is he? What's he doing?
Sorry. He's in India, bro. Alex. Double
Guys trading,
screen.
guys paper trading the Nifty 50 and he's coming off like he knows everything. Careful, my friend, you are not far away. I will drop my address, brother. I do not care. I'm not afraid of you.
Be careful, my friend. I am not far away.
You don't need me now. Well, show up
Oh my God.
by all means.
Cannot believe.
By all
Uh,
means, brother.
guys, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful setup. This is a beautiful setup. Ugh. So tempted. It's like a cheesecake. It's like a really good cheesecake, you know? Have you ever had food that made you cry?
Me? Oh yeah.
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 Like what? What was it?
I was in Croatia. It was my first Michelin restaurant experience. I had monkfish Wellington.
Monkfish?
It was crazy, dude.
That
It was
sounds
so,
great. A
it was crazy.
monkfish Wellington.
Yeah, dude.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Whoa. You cried?
Hmm.
Yeah, it's happened to
I
me too.
did.
I
It's
actually,
just, I don't know. It's a weird feeling, right?
it is, but
Yeah. It's why is food making me cry? But like,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
All right, dude, I've actually had enough of this guy, bro. Goodbye.
Yeah, he's actually threatening me.
Like, I
Like,
don't even
please,
know how to be.
I'm begging you to show up to my house and make my day. Please. Please. What's this guy think he's gonna do? Like, do you think you can scare a grown ass man who goes into burning buildings for a living? Probably not.
That's so true. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Alex. Yeah. I mean, that's the fourth time that we've blocked him, so it's not exactly our fault. He just keeps coming back.
This is, yeah, it's something else, man. Oh, man, boys. What SMT indie you using? Bray?
Um, it is a paid one that I actually got from a guy that I was in a group with. Session SMT by SMT for time-based sessions by UFONOs. It's a paid one. Be
I
careful what you
love,
wish for. Oh, not
no,
you too,
Chazin
Jason.
is the normal,
No,
yeah.
I know. But
What the fuck? Try to learn something guys are providing value? Yeah, no, I agree.
yeah, no. I got your message, Billy, too. I appreciate that.
What
No,
oh,
I'm not worried, Jason, either. The guy isn't gonna do anything. It's just, yeah.
did you get Jack, did was the payout taken? I'm a day away from a payout actually on Tradify. So I'm just kind of patiently 15-minute chart. I feel sick. Yeah. As soon as I get that payout, you guys know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that shit all on red, boy. No, I'm just kidding. A 2K payout is technically 4K. Like if you put it all on red, when do you get it? Yeah, it was up 1.7. Hell yeah, Jack. Hell yeah. Not worth it in stab lower from break. Um, Not worth it indeed. What do you want to see on the charts? Stab lower from a breaker, go lower. Honestly, I think the low's already even. 247. I in my opinion, like whenever I see stuff like this, it's one of my favorite continuations. It's like, okay, yeah, we have a huge divergence first and foremost. Like ES has failed to take out this low, right? The 845 low. NQ has already, but the fact that ES was able to perfectly retrace back into a discounted price range, like if you guys can see my chart here, the fact that ES was able to, on the 5-minute chart, retrace back into a discount perfectly at 7422 2.5, and then fucking that. It's just it's honestly one of the most beautiful setups. Hold on, let me there we go.
Thank you, Da Vinci. Um, yeah, thank you, Da Vinci. I appreciate that. No, what I was looking for, Chazen, was I would have liked to see Asia low SMT. Then pair that Asia high with the Asia low, and then get a breaker from there. We did create the hourly low SMT without taking the Asia low, which is fine. It's valid. I don't have a 1 minute breaker here though, and I'm not dropping down to the low time frame to get involved with it. So I'm just flat. I'm just flat. I've got nothing to do here. I'm just honestly chilling. This is just kind of doing what we thought it would do in the earlier parts of the stream, where just seek and destroy, sweep highs, sweep lows, sweep highs, sweep lows, create a big range for CPI to take out tomorrow, and then play a trade off of that.
Smoked on the shorts. We go again tomorrow. Hell yeah. Tomorrow's another day. Alex, can you finish what you were saying? Um, kind of lost my fucking train of thought, to be honest. Um, but yeah, no, like I if NQ is showing weakness and honestly, or yeah, I guess just switch it for shorts, if you can kind of visualize it. But if NQ is showing weakness, right, and ES is not, always just wait for ES to retrace into a discounted price point. Same thing for the opposite, right? If NQ is showing strength, um, but you still want to see some downside on ES, just wait for it to retrace into a premium. Because truth of the matter is, like S&P 500 rules all. Like I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna be honest and straight up. Um, and ES typically does pick the direction. Obviously, like I understand that there's a concept out there. It's like the Six Sister and all this and all that, but I don't really pay attention to all that. I would say just like follow the money, right? Like follow the money. ES has the highest futures dollar volume and it also has the highest options volume. So directionally, ES is the most impactful in that sense out of the three. YM is like out of the question. Like I know people like using it for SMT and it does work, but for directional bias and for like significance, it's always going to be ES.
Mm-hmm. 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 Well said. Well said.
Yeah. Yeah, ES is king, boy. ES the 8,000 tomorrow. So
In next couple of minutes, big fast 8,000.
it
Big fast
go
8,000.
it
It
go
go
big
big
fast
fast
move
8,000. Yeah.
up. If I am wrong, if you are wrong, you shave mustache.
I don't know if that guy is that a Russian accent? I don't know if that guy's Russian
Nah,
or if
he's
he's
definitely not Russian, but
yeah,
you know,
yeah. He's just a troll.
the Russian accent is cool.
It is cool. It's really cool. When you do it, especially, it's really cool.
Oh, thank you.
You should do it more.
Okay, next time.
Okay. I just made you nervous, didn't I?
That did make me
I
fucking blush.
I just made you
Uh,
blush.
Nobody's put me on the spot like that. Like I can do a Jamaican one too if you want me to.
Oh man. Could you really? For me?
I'll FaceTime you after the stream.
Okay, 10-4, 10-4. Can't wait.
Surprised. Yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
Couple new animations in here. You guys liking that stuff or what's up?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Such a beaut. Oh man. I kind of don't like that like my mic is like not a part of me, you know? It's like part of the background, the blur. Unless they come over here and talk to you guys. Bray's is savage today. Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
sorry, I
go.
had to see that. Sorry, you had to see that.
10:47. Not much going on here, boys. Just kind of seek and destroy almost. Gold, however, I would like to see something on gold. I'm still pretty short bias on gold. I think I'll have to get you guys a what's it called? Kind of like a macro report on gold as to why I'm short, but I still think we see lower. And the fact is that we've managed to, I can never find the gone box whenever I'm looking for it. Fact is, we've now tapped into premium market. Thursday actually closed as a daily swing, and we've actually failed to even get above it. So I think, in my opinion, if we can get a 4 hour and hourly swing, as long as we don't take the 4775s, I think there might be room for some downside here on gold, to be honest. But silver is like just on another planet. So yeah, we'll see. Typically, I do like daily, so daily internal, hourly external, which means I'd be looking for the 56s, but I needed to give me at least an hourly swing or a 4 hour swing for me to consider lower. Because right now I just don't have that confirmation. And yeah, I want to see this high be completely intact, not taken. Right, that was a beautiful setup, man. Not gonna lie, these 15-second OBs, man. These 15-second or 15-second breakers. Kind of
Hmm.
nice. Kind of nice. Which one would you consider here if you're looking at my
As the
chart?
breaker,
Yeah.
the one you have drawn is like the main one, but there's also the
This
other
one?
swing high there with like the large down close candle.
This one here?
That high, the high of that large 15-second down close candle, the last one before the sweep. Like what
Oh,
would
I
be
see.
your OB?
Yeah, it'd be that.
No, 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 sorry. That's that large 15-second down close candle.
Yeah.
The high of that candle is the confirmation of the breaker, and then the green, like that would be the confirmation of it. I don't care
Oh,
so
I
much about
see.
like the breaker candle itself. It's just like the swing low, swing high, lower low. As long as there's a green candle sandwiched in there somewhere, I'm good with that.
Oh, I see. Alex, have
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
found uh for the PM session that the shorter time frames work better? So see, after testing, there are some interesting things. Um, I think I typically don't trade from 9:30 to 9:40 because I found that my losing or my win rate was significantly lower at during that time window. So what you want to be looking for, at least on NQ, if you're looking to trade the seconds charts, is for there to be enough volume for it to obviously move directionally, but also not be too much volume to the point where it's being very erratic. And you'll see that that typically happens from like 9:30 to 9:35, obviously, because it's market open. So I'd say the best typical time windows, at least that I've found for seconds charts, are after like 9:40, 9:45 a.m. Eastern. And then obviously the PMs have been working really well. And I'll explain to you why that works. It's because so the PM sessions can be kind of slow, but the fact is PM sessions are a little bit more willing to move towards um are a little bit more willing to move towards a mean. And what I mean by that is like if you compare the AM, you'll typically trend a little bit more than the PM. Um, and the PM just likes coming back into the higher time frame opens. And that works really well when you're using the 15-second chart, especially if you're pairing it with a 5 minute. As people describe.
might hop off here, go
Yeah, yeah, go ahead,
get a
dude.
coffee, and then we got our meeting after. But
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, go ahead.
I'll
I'll call you here
I'm
in a
gonna
little
go
bit.
lock my doors.
I'm gonna stay on for a little bit and
Yeah,
just kind of chat to the folks.
sure. Good job today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you all.
Yeah, dude.
Sorry you had to see an ugly side of me, but I mean, when trolls come in like
Nah,
that.
it's fine. We gotta get rid of 'em, those trolls when we
Hmm.
need to.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers.
I'll
Love
talk
you
to you.
guys.
Yeah.
Talk to you
I'll be
later.
on for a little bit, boys. I want to stay on, just see what we do here at 11. Thanks for today. No, thank you. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate you guys staying on and coming on and watching. But yeah, good day overall. I think it was definitely I'm actually gonna walk you. Hi, Alex. Just stopping by to say hello and buenos dias. Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you, Isabella. Um, have a great start to the trading week, everyone. Let's get it. Dude, I love this energy. Um, God, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, let me walk you guys through that trade breakdown actually. So you guys know me. I'm a big fan. I don't even know when the hell I took the trade. When was it? Oh, right here. I already locked myself out of my accounts. So first and foremost, what I did really love about today's setup was the fact that, okay, obviously I came into the morning, I acknowledged the fact I was like, listen, and I actually wrote this in my notes. I want you guys to see these notes because it was actually to the T. Look at this. So we wrote out, and I was mainly trading ES via NQ today. So we wrote out ES at a ES internal at a discounted price range could potentially drag NQ with it towards the highs as long as the 845 and the overnight low hold. Lo and behold, what did we get? 845 held perfectly. That was my cue to consider longs. So at 845, we had this low hold. Obviously, 930 saw a major expansion to the upside. So journal was on point this morning. I had a great read. However, my execution wasn't perfect. I took 3 trades today, one loss, one break even, one win. Um, but anyways, the read on ES was just a beaut, right? Come down to NQ. Obviously, I was looking for that 845 low to hold, which means that if I ask you guys, hey, is there a particular candle that swept out, these lows, a down close candle that swept out these lows? You're going to tell me, whoops, there we go. You're going to tell me it's the 840 and the 845 candle. Obviously, in this case, I'm looking for more the down close candle that pierced. And you can kind of see here, that was closed above. That now becomes your OB. And that's why I was looking for longs prior to 930, but I didn't want to execute on it because I know that obviously my win rate is not that great from 930 to 940. But it's the same logic that I've been using, right? You get that hourly swing, you get a 15-minute swing, you drop down to a 5, you confirm your 5-minute order block, and then you drop down to a 15-second chart. On the 15-second chart, what do? You grab the high, you grab the low. That's your premium and your discount. What's the next step? You grab the most obvious or significant low at a discounted price point of the 15-second chart. Boom. Yeah, yeah, I can. I don't mind. One sec. Better than the people describe. I've been a nice guy. People I done right by. Where the fuck? People I done right by. So this is across. How many trades is this? Let me double check for you. One sec. Ignore the P&L on this, but this is across 334 trades for the 15-second strat. So trade is around 55%. Average win to loss is 1.68, which is important. This is the metric that I care about the most. And then, yeah, 334 trades. Pretty heavy drawdown at some points, but it was mostly, yeah. Day win is pretty good, and majority of the trades are longs. I'll be honest with you guys. But yeah, which is why I'm so long biased. Um, but yeah, grab that high, grab that low. That becomes your that becomes your that becomes your dealing range. Came back down, swept these lows. First low at a discount, 285 is taken, and then you saw that massive expansion. I just didn't have the balls to execute on it at like 9:30. What's up, Fortune? So yeah, we kind of came back, retraced back into the previous 15-second range. It was just an overall beaut. 15-second OB here. Close above that confirms the order block. You then look for longs as soon as you get that closure. Stop at the low, and then I targeted, I think it was the 83, something like that. Then we closed here at these highs. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna see you guys for PM. I'll be on it at 2 p.m. Eastern, so I'll be on it in a couple hours. I think like what is it, 3 hours? If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. Um, yeah, be sure to use code LAB at your favorite firms. Any questions about prop firms, you guys can head over to propfirm.compare, create an account. Um, and yeah, I appreciate all of you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the PM session again, 2 p.m. Eastern on this channel. It is scheduled, so be sure to stop by. Bye bye, everybody.